Okay, the next stage of this design is to get some curves out there, or I'm sorry, some gems on a curve out there. So we'll use our gem on a curve tool. Actually, we need curves before we do gem on a curve. So, okay. I like to put this one on a different layer color I'm not going to use so that it's not the same as all the other gems. Guess it'll need a head of some point too, huh? Okay, you guys can work on that part. Using the extract ISO curve command, we're going to use the first surface, which is this one, and toggle this so that it's running down the long way and snap it to the midpoint of that surface. Okay, we'll go ahead and grab this curve and place it into our gems on a curve builder. Okay, we can size these down 1 millimeter or so. Q directions are going to be pointing at the surface itself, at the object, and at the surface. There we go. Okay, just get this set up the way you might like it, and if you want to see the prongs while you do this, click on Show Prongs. When you do that, that's actually an option way out here. You can't see it on your video. When you do that, the little prong adder comes in, and when you go over there, you can kind of flip between the prongs and the gem on a curve builder, and just figure out the prong layout you want for these guys. We want gem flow, 2 end prongs, that's good. Okay, once you like them, let's try the nudge a little bit. They're sort of sticking out into the channel. There we go. Once you like them, press enter, and it'll place them for you. Okay, now the easy way to do this is to grab the gems and the prongs and to mirror them in this viewport. Oh, we have a couple other things on that layer, so let's just grab the prongs, the gems, and mirror. F4, shift, and click. We should have some stuff on top of some other stuff here, so we'll get rid of that. Select one row here with its little guys and ungroup. Ungroup. Better to click it than to type it when you can't spell. Just grab the extras. And get rid of them. Okay. Last of all, grab your gems and your prongs and mirror the whole thing. And let's do this while we're working. We have all kinds of curves and stuff out there that aren't being very helpful. Before we do this, we will drop back everything. So to sort of get rid of our curves for now, since we're just working with the gems and the prongs and stuff, we're going to use Super Select, grab all curves, and just hide them for now. Now we can grab just the prongs and the gems and rotate with copy, because that's how we got everything to the other side of the ring. F4, shift, and place this on the other side of the ring. Press enter or escape. Get this thing to quit making copies for you. There we go. Let's actually see. I think we're going to grab some duplicates. To find out, run select duplicate objects. Nope, no duplicates. Still think we did. Okay, just to be sure, we're going to take everything and ungroup it. And we'll try and avoid grabbing that center gem with its prongs. Just everything else. And mirror, rotate with copy, F4, Shift and click. Enter. And that should have done it. Okay, no duplicates. No duplicates. Now that was the easy part, right? The next thing is to look at Pave Builder.